In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export transparent videos in DaVinci Resolve 19. This is perfect for creating overlays, logos, and other graphic elements that you can use in other projects. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have your project open with the elements you want to export with transparency. Now click on Fusion tab to see or we have the background. Here you can see it's transparent. Now it's time to export your project. Go to the Deliver tab. Here enter your name you would like to save. Choose the location. Here, we'll choose the format and settings that will preserve transparency. Click to select individual clips. For this, we recommend using QuickTime as the format and GoPro Signform as codec, RGB 16-bit as type. These formats support alpha channels, which means your transparent background will remain intact. One crucial step is to make sure you enable the Export Alpha option. This setting will ensure that transparency is maintained in your final output. And Alpha mode, select Straight. Finally, click Add to Render Queue and then start render. After it's finished, you'll have a transparent video file that you can use in any other video editing software like DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, or Final Cut. And that's it. You've successfully exported a transparent video in DaVinci Resolve 19. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments what tutorials you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.